Hello and welcome to this very special interview. Joining me today is one of India's sharpest personal finance minds, Feroze Azeez, who's the Deputy CEO at Anand Rathi Wealth Management. Someone you've been following, all of you, for a very long time. And it's wonderful, Feroze, to have you here on the Money Mile. Lots of questions to ask you in these difficult times, but let's get first straight up to Feroze. While we've seen a fairly sharp recovery as well on the stock market, and nevertheless, a lot of investors keep telling us that when it comes to their portfolio or their schemes, because I guess this rally has been confined to a few select stocks, and it's not a broad-based rally, so the Sensex might be a bit misleading. But people who are still seeing a sharp cut, they did go through a very steep cut initially, when the fall happened. What would you tell investors?
I think the expectation that the entire broader market will simultaneously rally back and recover may not be the fairest expectations to have. So there are different points in time when different parts of the market recover. So be patient is the first thing I would say. Secondly, what happens is, especially for mutual fund investors, you have to keep in mind that a mutual fund has a certain regulatory restriction. For example, if Reliance has been the top Nifty stock with 14% of weight as we speak, but a mutual fund is not permitted more than 10% in it. So as one of those stocks or a few of these stocks rally up, a mutual fund will definitely find it difficult to beat the relative index, which it's benchmarking itself against. So be patient, not that one stock can rally up one way. So point one, don't have an expectation that the broader market would recover along with the top stocks. There are different times. Second point I'm making is, please also understand, if you're using a regulatory platform, it has a risk mitigant, so it'll chop the tail on either sides. A sharp recovery would be cut off. A sharp downfall can also be cut off. So today it might be hurting you to see that you're not recovering that steeply. But if there is a pullback in these large stocks, you would have a smaller pullback, unlike the Nifty. So patience is critical. Understanding these two attributes, which is the reason why you're in the current predicament, will make it far more rational investing.
It's been a pleasure talking to you, Feroze. Thank you very much, and wish you all the very best. These are difficult times. You're doing a lot of good, hard work, advising and hand-holding your customers. So wish you all the very best. Thank you very much for joining me.
Thank you, Vivek. Bye.